Hi, Skip here again. I've got another question I'm responding to, and the reason I'm doing this on this particular question is because it's come up more than once, and I want to be very clear about this. The initial question was, if you get into the 4% challenge, you do all that, build your foundation, and understanding that the 4% challenge is absolutely foundational in the sense that if you want to do all the things that are necessary to become a true entrepreneur and very successful with all the ingredients for marketing, for driving traffic, building your brand and doing all those things, is the 4% challenge is designed to do all of those things, no problem. That's all good. But you'll notice in this website that I've got a whole page on network marketing, and in that page I'm directing it towards a specific network marketing product that I happen to work with and that I happen to believe in. Now, do you have to do that? No. That is my choice. It's how I'm taking another income stream that is compatible with and they can rely on or build off of the platform I've created in the 4% Challenge. The 4% Challenge is a platform. And from that platform I can market or build anything I want to. In this case, I want to build another income stream in an area that I happen to believe in. And that's why the Legal Shield program that I've got in there and information on that and how that works. That's not mandatory by any means. And it's not mandatory that you have any income stream outside of becoming, if you wish to, a partner, a promotional partner with 4%. That's open to you. You can do that if you want to, but by no means is the 4% challenge directed towards having to become a partner in that. You can apply whatever business you want to, considering that you've learned in the 4% challenge, you've learned how to establish your brand, drive traffic, have your website and your list, and have all those things in one uniform and consistent integrated system. With including strategies and all of that, the whole 9 yards. That's all included in that step-by-step training. So that's the platform from which you work. And so whatever products you apply to that, that's up to you. You can do it all within the products of 4% and become a partner and do that whole thing, or not at all. You can do your own product from the very beginning, whatever you want to do. So you have a tremendous flexibility. And if you want to, now my model, I like the whole idea of network marketing. You end up with a network of people who are you working with who jointly drive a certain amount of traffic and business from which you get a percentage. And that will grow exponentially. And by doing it online, it's a very rapid growth. It's an accelerated growth in network marketing because you can do in months what normally would take years if you're promoting it off of a real well-established base, that base being the marketing system of the 4%. Okay, so I hope this is really making sense to you. So if you already have a business that you're doing, will it apply? Absolutely, it will. If you're interested in getting into network marketing, you don't have to do what I'm doing. There's a tons of opportunities out there and other businesses that are viable and real and justified and all that kind of thing. So that's something you can absolutely do. I don't want you to think that you're strapped to that. My role in all of this and on your behalf is that extra step that I might take to help you achieve what you want to achieve and give you constructive advice and guidance and whatnot to help you avoid some of the pitfalls and mistakes that so many people automatically make. This is a pathway to achieving what you want and not necessarily based on someone else's dreams. If you build your life on someone else's dreams and priorities, that means that yours are not being met. Your dreams are as viable as anyone else's, and if you really want to pursue your dreams, you can do that and don't let anybody talk you out of it or become a dream stealer, taking away the dreams and the things that you have. I had a recent conversation with a fellow that has a dream, something he wants to do. Well, I gave him some insight as to how he can achieve his dream and make that system work to accommodate his dream, where he can pull away from being, in a sense, a slave to someone else's whole thing, and thinking that that's his only option, is to work for somebody else and do what they need and all the efforts it takes to bring about someone else's dream and goals and what have you. So you can, if you want to be an independent entrepreneur and successful on your own, you got your own dreams, don't let anybody take that away from you. You can pursue it. And so by no means am I indicating that anybody has to do the network marketing product that I do or network marketing at all. whatever business you have and whatever you want to build on, you can do it from the 4% base. But this is just those first steps of building something that from which you can grow and become independent, because you know how to drive traffic, you know how to become a brand. You hear me talking a lot about that, but becoming a brand, knowing how to drive traffic and build a legit business and foundation and multiple streams of income from which you can do whatever else you want, pursue all of your dreams, and have a lifetime of living your dream. Wouldn't that be nice? You know, isn't that the goal? Live our dreams. You don't have to wait till you're retired to do that. You know, I've been on the road and done a fair amount of traveling. And when I go to, there are certain places you go and you look around and it's all people that are enjoying the sights or the special locations, whatever it is. If it's the Grand Canyon, it's whatever it is. And you look around and the majority of people are retired. They're driving RVs or whatever and they're retired. Well, that's a good. There's nothing wrong with that. But what if it is that you can't do it until you're retired? What if you could do that and you had the choice to do those things, you know, in life with your family or whatever you want? You can. Your dream. Don't have to put your dream off because somebody else's. Because in order to get your dream, you got to build a whole bunch of other people's dreams. Now, I admit to you, right straight up off the front, I've done that. I have helped other people build their dreams. And I really like having my own. So when you start to see money coming in from your efforts that are yours, and it doesn't belong to anybody else, there's no feeling like that. That's kind of cool. So if you really have some dreams you want to pursue and whatnot, you can go for it. If you're doing what you love to do, continue to do it and become the best you can be in whatever that pursuit or application. Okay. So anyway, I hope that answers that question. And there'll be lots more to come and whatnot. I'm here. I'm available. Leave comments and whatnot in the comment section. If you need some help or if you got some questions, I'm happy to help. And let's pursue our dreams. You know, there's nothing wrong with having somebody that can help you pursue your dreams. And I'm not asking anybody to tap in and follow my footsteps and do absolutely the way I'm pursuing mine and what works for me, because you might have an even better idea. So anyway. All that said, I will leave. I'll leave this one alone, and lots more to come. Enjoy this whole website. Dig in, leave comments and whatnot. Thanks for stopping in, and I will talk to you again soon. Thanks. God bless.